enjoying life through travel. Sometimes you can do that even if you have to go to a work conference or a conference for an organization that you belong to. I was not able to spend any extra time checking out Atlantic City at this recent work conference, but I know one question I see quite often is, what does room such and such look like in this hotel? What does cabin number such and such look like on this cruise ship? So I was at the Borgata Resort and Casino in the MGM Tower in Atlantic City recently, and I decided to do a room tour of my room at this resort for you. It was room 2086. It was really nice. Redone a couple of years ago. The MGM Tower is fairly newly redone, and I really enjoyed it. So here's the room tour. Enjoy. Room 2086, Borgata MGM Tower in Atlantic City, New Jersey. It's a beautiful room. Beautiful view. Table, chair, comfortable chair. I think I didn't sit in it yet. King size bed. There's an outlet, a USB and a USB-C in each bedside table. Big closet with a safe, ironing board, iron, plenty of hangers, and it had the suitcase stand as well. Here is the huge bathroom. And there's a light in the shower. I love lights in the shower. Toilet has its own room. Nice privacy. Very nice room. I do notice a lack of towels, but not a lack of towels, a lack of places to put your towel, and of course a nice size full length mirror. Beautiful room. The sun's shining through, so there's a little bit of a huge table here. Like if you're here and you want to eat, or you want to work, or you want to play a game, you can almost do a puzzle on there. And then here's your view. This is Atlantic City, New Jersey. You have your resorts there. Really nice. And then this is the marina area. The ocean and beach over there. So beautiful. There's a couple of resorts here in the marina area, the Golden Nugget, which you see there, and Harrah's as well. So beautiful. I'll share this view at night too, because with the lights on and without the sun glare, it's actually really pretty. So that's the room, 2086, Borgata MGM Tower. King size bed, king room. Here are some still pictures that I took. That chair was very comfortable. I enjoyed sitting there to read, look out the window at the view, watch TV. I did enjoy that. So the view was wonderful, and I did enjoy the room very much. Here are some pictures from at night and in the morning for a sunrise. I could not figure out how to not get the glare, but you can still see how pretty it is from those rooms. Those are the oceanfront rooms.